Hi, good day M6028. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Florence Stacy Calawagan, 40 years old, born on July 21, 1985, single mother, blessed with the three children, one girl, and two boys. I'm a Roman Catholic, and I work as a helper in the Philippines for the family of four, a couple and two children, 2 years old and 3 years old. I'm doing household chores like washing clothes, cleaning the house, taking good care of the children, and washing the dishes.
Okay,
And
and you have also another experience, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, tell me
And,
about your experience.
and I also have experience of two family, a single mother, 60 years old, and a 12 years old child. And also, I'm doing household chores like washing the dishes, um, ironing, cleaning the house, and
Okay, by the way, your educational attainment.
uh, I am a college graduate, a course of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you have children, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
You check the temperature of the baby. You check the tummy if the baby is hungry, and check the diaper if the diaper is.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
I will call my employer and tell them that the baby was not stop in crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my children, and because Hong Kong is a safe place and much high salary.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
After 2 years of I finished my contract, and as long as my employer want me to stay.
Okay, so it is okay to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn. For so I'm watching the YouTube and buy some books
Like cooking books?
like cooking books.
Okay, and you could also ask your madam and sir if you got an employer in Hong Kong if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
And also you could help them how do they prepare so that you could learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay to you to work.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
It is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
It is okay with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of an elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom, to hospital for checkups.
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, I hope you will hire me, and I do my best to do my responsibility and follow your rules and regulation. And I promise I will be honest and loyalty and respect.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Miss Florence Stacy. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.